Good evening, sir. This is my explain about LAT Internet of Things. Smart home technology offer numerous benefits but also presents significant risks and societal challenges. Addressing security vulnerabilities, protecting user privacy, and ensuring equitable access are crucial for realizing the full potential of LAT while mitigating its negative impact. Responsible development, deployment, and use of smart home devices are essential to harness their benefits while minimizing risk. The Internet of Things LAT is revolutionizing numerous aspects of our lives, from the way we manage our home to how we interact with our cities. One compelling real-world example of a lot is the application of smart agriculture, which u- utilize interconnected sensors and devices of optimized farming practice and increase efficiency. The Internet of Things LAT refers to a vast network of physical objects, things embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the internet. These things range from everyday household items like smart thermostats and refrigerators to industrial machinery and wearable technology. The core of LAT lies in the ability of these devices to collect and transmit data, enabling automation, remote monitoring, and improved decision making. Automation automation of efficiency LAT automates tasks and process, increasing efficiency and productivity across various sectors in manufacturing. For example, LAT sensor can monitor equipment performance, predict maintenance needs, and optimize production process, improve decision making. The data collected by a LAT device provides valuable insights for better decision making. Business can use this data to understand customer behavior, optimize supply chains, and improve product development. In-chance monitoring and control. Remote monitoring and control capabilities offered by a LAT allow for pro- proactive management of assets and resources. This is particularly beneficial in areas like healthcare, where remote patient monitoring can be improve outcomes. Cost savings by optimizing processes, predicting maintenance, and reducing waste. LAT can lead of significant cost savings for business and individuals. Innovation and new service. LAT enables the creation of involved product and service that were previously impossible. Smart cities, for the instance, leverage LAT to improve traffic management, waste disposal, and public safety. Disadvantage of LAT: security risk. The interconnected nature of a LAT device creates significant security vulnerabilities. Hacker can exploit weakness in this device to gain access to sensitive data or disrupt operation. This includes risks like data breaches, denial of service attack, and the potential of the device to be used in botnets. Privacy concerns. The data collected by that device raises serious privacy concern. The potential for misuse of this data, especially without proper user consent and security measures, in a major challenge. Complexity and interoperability. The diverse range of alert device and platform can lead to complexity in integration and interoperability, ensuring seamless communication and data exchange between different systems can be challenging. Data management and storage. The massive amounts of data generated by LOT device requires robust data management and storage solution. This can be expensive and complex, requiring specialized infrastructure and expertise. Dependence of connectivity. That device rely on network connectivity to function properly. Interruption in connectivity can disrupt operation and limit the functionality of this device. Personal insight. The potential benefits of flat are immense, but realizing this potential requires careful consideration of the risks. Addressing security vulnerabilities and protecting user privacy should be paramount. The developing of standardized protocol and security measures are crucial to ensure the secure and reliable operation of flat network. Furthermore, ethical consideration around data usage and potential biases embedded of algorithms must be addressed to prevent the creation of systems that perpetuate inequalities. The future of flat depends on a balanced approach that prioritizes both innovation and responsible development. The Internet of Things lot has both positive and negative implications for society. Benefits: increased efficiency, automates tasks, enhancing productivity in various sectors. Improve safety. Smart device can be monitored for threats and exchange security. Enhance healthcare. Enables remote health monitoring and early intervention. Sustainable development. Optimize resource use, contributing to environmental sustainable. Accessibility. Support individuals with disabilities through assistive technologies. Risk. Privacy concern. Vast data collection raises issue of personal privacy and data breaches. Security vulnerabilities. lot device can be target for cyber attack, posing public safety risks. Job displacement. Automation may lead to job losses in certain sectors. The digital divide may exacerbate inequalities between those with and without access to technology. Consideration raises questions about data ownership and